Paul Bushell's house in Gillingham. We're in for another family still day tomorrow with patchy drizzle in the morning.
Dill day? What?
Oh, another nice still day. Oh,
No, I thought you meant dildo day.
I hate the wind. Peaky Blinders, what a load of rubbish that is.
Penis blinders.
Daniel, blow your bloody nose.
To live and work in these extraordinary places, full of culinary inspirations. That's delicious.
Berry's Country House Secrets starts Thursday at 8 on BBC One.
Dog snorters.
Lord Sugar puts his foot down the border in tonight's Apprentice at 9 as the candidates create an ad campaign for a new car. Well, first on BBC One, Nick Reynolds
I like a bloody brownie.
We all want our children to have a carefree childhood. Growing up happy,